There are thousands of AI tools out there, and most of them are complete garbage. But some are absolute game changers that can save you hours every single day, and they're completely free. I spent the last week testing over 50 free AI tools and narrowed it down to the 10 that actually blew my mind. Number 7 literally replaced a tool I was paying $30 a month for. Let's get into it. First up, Perplexity AI. Think of it as Google search on steroids. You ask a question, and instead of giving you 10 blue links, it actually reads those sources, synthesizes the information, and gives you a clear answer with citations. I've been using it for research, and it's cut my research time by about 70%. The free tier gives you unlimited basic searches and 5 pro searches per day. If you're still Googling things the old way, you're wasting your time. Need to make a presentation? Forget spending hours in PowerPoint. Gamma takes a simple text prompt and turns it into a beautiful, professional presentation in about 30 seconds. I tested it with a pitch deck for a startup idea, and honestly, it looked better than what most agencies charge thousands for. Free tier gives you 400 AI credits, which is roughly 10 full presentations. This one is insane. ElevenLabs can clone any voice or generate incredibly natural-sounding AI voices in dozens of languages. The free plan gives you 10,000 characters per month of text-to-speech. Content creators, podcasters, anyone making videos. This is a must. For AI image generation, Ideogram has become my go-to over Midjourney. Why? Because it's free. You get 25 generations per day, and the quality is honestly comparable. Where it really shines is text and images. If you've ever tried to get AI to write text on an image, you know it's usually a disaster. Ideogram nails it almost every time. Perfect for thumbnails, social media posts, marketing materials. If you're only using ChatGPT, you're missing out. Claude is arguably better for long-form writing, analysis, and coding. The free tier on Claude.ai gives you solid access to Claude